Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to highlight large data in Excel. Okay, I applied this two method. Now selected cells. I select these cells. Type specific rows. I select the last example E, or you select any what. I select example E, and now select 10,000 rows. Hold shift, press enter. Now see this automatically selected 10,000 rows. Now go to, oh sorry, again another way to select it. Select column, hold control and select data. Go to conditional formatting, select highlight rules greater than. Now click OK. Choose your color, select custom format color, yellow. Now click OK. Now see this highlighted large data or large amount. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.